Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to slim jim a Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your essential tools: a slim jim, a non-marring wedge, and a long reach tool. It's crucial to confirm you are working on a Toyota 4Runner, as internal door mechanisms vary significantly between models. Always understand the potential risks involved and proceed with extreme caution to avoid any damage to your vehicle's paint or internal components. Next, carefully insert a non-marring wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame. Gently pry it open to create a small gap, ideally about 1/4 of an inch wide. This opening will allow you to insert your slim jim and long reach tool. Be very careful during this step to protect the vehicle's paint and the rubber weather stripping from any scratches or tears. Now, carefully slide the slim jim down into the gap you created between the window glass and the weather stripping. You'll be aiming to locate the internal locking mechanism. This is typically a vertical locking rod or a horizontal lever. Once you feel the slim jim engage with the rod or lever, gently manipulate it. A slight pull upwards or sideways should disengage the lock and unlock the door. Once the door is unlocked, carefully remove all your tools, including the slim jim and the wedge, from the door frame. Gently close the door and test the exterior handle to confirm that the door is indeed unlocked and opens freely. Remember, practice makes perfect, but always prioritize safety and vehicle integrity. For an enhanced reading experience, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.